Inside a modern smart apartment, a robot vacuum clears the floor while an air purifier monitors the room. To a visitor, these look like independent gadgets from a variety of different tech brands. In reality, every one of these devices is linked by the same software and corporate parent. That parent is Xiaomi, pronounced Xiaomi. The name translates to millet, a small grain that is a staple in China. Founder Lei Jun chose the name to signify starting with small things to eventually tackle Mission Impossible challenges. While the company currently ranks as the third largest smartphone vendor in the world, that mobile business sits alongside a physical presence covering hundreds of different product categories. Viewing Xiaomi strictly through the lens of smartphone sales overlooks a significant shift. They have built a hardware network that reaches into nearly every corner of the home. This chart shows the scale of that reach. While their smartphone business is massive, it is dwarfed by their IoT platform. IoT, or the Internet of Things, refers to physical objects equipped with sensors and software that connect and exchange data. As of late 2025, Xiaomi operates over 1.035 billion of these connected devices. That network is made up of millions of smart appliances and wearable trackers, alongside a global fleet of electric scooters. How did a company that started with software and screens successfully move into the kitchen, the bedroom, and the highway? The answer lies in an investment strategy that looks very different from a traditional tech manufacturer. Xiaomi didn't build 100 different factories to produce this variety of hardware. Instead, they acted as an incubator for other companies. They took non-controlling equity stakes, usually less than 50%, in over 100 startups. By providing these smaller companies with supply chain access and branding while leaving the founders in control, they moved faster than a traditional corporate structure could allow. Successful partners like Roborock, which makes robotic vacuums, and Ninebot, which produces electric scooters, became global leaders using this model. To the user, these diverse products are unified under a single brand identity, Mijia, or Xiaomi Home. Xiaomi's primary innovation wasn't just the individual gadgets, but the financial network that could bring dozens of different hardware categories to the global market at once. The biggest obstacle to a smart home is usually fragmentation, the fact that a light bulb from one brand rarely talks to a security camera from another. To fix this, the company developed Xiaomi Hyper OS. It is a unified operating system designed to run on every device in their ecosystem, from the simplest sensor to the most powerful car. HyperOS is engineered for extreme flexibility. It can run on a microchip with only 64 kilobytes of RAM. That's the short-term memory a device uses to handle immediate tasks, while scaling up to power a smartphone with 24 gigabytes of RAM. Because these devices share the same software foundation, they can act on data from one another. For instance, when your smartwatch detects you've fallen asleep, it signals the home to dim the lights and arm the security system automatically. HyperOS turns a collection of separate household objects into a single, responsive environment. In 2024, that environment expanded to the driveway with the release of the Xiaomi SU7 electric vehicle. The company views this EV as much more than a car. They treat it as a room on wheels, the largest, most complex smart device in their network. When a user enters the car, their phone interface instantly synchronizes with the vehicle's 16.1-inch central screen, mirroring their apps and preferences without manual setup. This uses a system called Car IoT, which allows the vehicle to natively support over 5,000 apps and control thousands of smart home appliances directly from the dashboard. By integrating the car into the same software loop, the boundary between being at home and being in transit begins to disappear. This enables a single, continuous experience. A driver can turn on their living room air conditioner and start the kitchen appliances while they are still miles away from the driveway. This creates a compounding value effect, where each new device added to the network makes the existing ones more useful. Many competitors focus on dominating a single category, like phones or home speakers. Xiaomi has focused on building the hardware for every touchpoint in a person's day. This scale is the realization of founder Lei Jun's 2010 vision to take the internet and weave it into the physical routines of daily life. Xiaomi has evolved from a manufacturer of discrete gadgets into the manager of a unified digital infrastructure, connecting the home, the car, and the user.